Hi there, students. Not for nothing. So this actually means for a good reason, okay? For an important reason. Yeah? There is reason behind this, for an extremely good reason. So it's not for nothing I tell you to be careful. There is a really good reason why I tell you to be careful, because there are lots of hidden dangers. Okay, for an extremely good reason. Okay, notice teachers say to you, you can't use double negatives. Well, I think that's for not and no, but here not for nothing. This is a way of amplifying or focusing on the fact that there is a good reason for something. It's not for nothing I brought an umbrella with me. I was sure it was going to rain. So for a specific reason, yeah, for a very good and worthy reason, yeah, it's not for nothing that seatbelts are provided in a car. Yeah, there is a good reason behind it. Yeah, you're using this to emphasize that there's a good reason for something. Notice as well, if you start your phrase with this, then you're going to need an inversion. It's a negative adverbial. Not for nothing did people call him the king of the kitchen. Yeah? Not for nothing did people call him. Not for nothing is a seatbelt provided in a car. But most commonly, I think we probably start with, it's not for nothing that. Okay, so it's not for nothing that they call him lightning. Yeah, there's a very good reason why it. Yeah, so it's I got arrested by the police, so clearly it's not for nothing that I have a brother who is a lawyer. Yeah, there's a good reason for it, because I'm always getting arrested. Yeah, you're saying that there's a good reason for this to happen. Not for nothing was the general called by his epithet, by his nickname. Yeah, it's not for nothing that people look to nature for inspiration. Not for nothing do designers look for inspiration in nature. And there you go, there's the inversion again. Not for nothing is his work described as the greatest ever done. Not for nothing is Messi called the best footballer of all times. Yeah, it's not for nothing that people tell us to wash our hands before we eat. Okay, so there's a good reason behind it. Don't confuse this with not for anything, because not for nothing, double negative, means for something, for a reason. Not for anything is a very strong negation. I wouldn't do this for anything in the world. Yeah? You can offer me anything you like, but I would not do this for anything in the world. So not for anything is a strong negation. Not for nothing is a strong affirmation. So don't confuse the two. Okay, formality, not for nothing. I think I'm going to give this a 4 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think you can definitely use this in a semi-formal writing to emphasize something, but I wouldn't use it very formally. So still there's this bit of prejudice against double negatives. Okay, so not for nothing, for a very good reason. It's a way of emphasizing this. Yeah, it's not for nothing that there is a long waiting list for this restaurant. This is saying the food is very good. It's not without reason that this exists like this. It not for nothing is the camel known as the ship of the desert. Yeah, there's a good reason behind it. There's a very specific reason belonging to it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Not for nothing.